Welcome to the Clipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move picture on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open up any document. At first you have to insert an image. So just click on insert tab and then click on pictures. Choose any option. If I select stock images and then choose any picture, just select it and then click on insert. And you can see the picture has been inserted successfully. Now if I try to move the picture, and you can see it's not working, it's still on the same position. So if you want to move your picture anywhere, just click on this icon at the corner. From here you have to choose any option without inline text. So if I select it and then close the window, now if I try to move the image, and you can see now I can easily move the image anywhere, and that's it. Now if you cannot find the option at the corner, just select your image and then click on picture format. Now here on the arrange option you can find wrap text, then just click here and then choose any option. If I select in front of text, and that's it. And that is how you can move picture on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.